Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, so in order to disable it, hit the same tile again. Then select Close in the No Location Access pop-up to disable it. You can also go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access the location. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Location Access to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!